Get strong.
Hi everyone, it's Lisa from the Stoney Creek School of Art. Today we are going to be drawing an underwater creature, a dolphin. So you need a pencil, your eraser, you need a black marker to outline, and something to color with. So I have pencil crayons here today as well as some markers. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is do a construction line. So that's going to be the line that guides us in the shape of the dolphin. So I want my dolphin to kind of be curved like that. So I'm drawing really lightly because I'm going to erase this later. So at the top of that curve, I'm going to draw an oval, just like that. And then I'm going to continue the bottom of the oval downwards, and same with the top. So it's getting thinner as it gets down to the tail. So it's wider apart and then getting closer. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line, another construction line on a diagonal this way, and draw a sausage shape just like that. So I know it looks kind of funny right now, but it's going to make sense just in a moment. So this is going to be the snout part of the dolphin's nose. So I'm going to just join it like that, and then underneath like that. So with your eraser, you're going to erase anything inside the nose area, the mouth area, as well as you can take a larger eraser, and now you can erase that construction line as well as that oval that we used as a guide. Okay, so next we're going to move on to the fin. So I'm going to just make this a little bit higher. And the fin isn't really close to the eye, it's sort of set back further. So kind of where the edge part of that oval would be, that's where I'm going to draw my curve, and then another curve. So we don't want to make it too pointed like a shark's fin. It's a little bit more on the rounder side at the tip. Just like that. And then when we get closer to the bottom of the tail, I'm going to do an oval this way and another oval this way. So this is going to be the guide for the fin. So it's kind of like almost like a leaf shape. Just like that. And then again, you would erase that guide. And this is a nice thing about drawing in pencil, is that you have the opportunity to make all of the shapes, the simple shapes, to help you draw, and then just erase them after. So far our dolphin's looking really great. I'm gonna go back to the mouth area and just sort of split it in half and bring it up to a really cute little curve. And then where this corner of his mouth is, this is where his eye is going to be. So I'm going to do a circle, and then I'm going to make it really cute with another circle and the eye shine. I'm going to give him a cheek and a little rosy area. So you would erase any part of the eyeball in the cheek if you wanted to add that. And his little blowhole is pretty close to the back fin. So I'm just doing a small little oval there. And then we're going to go over to where the top fin is, the dorsal fin, and kind of go in a diagonal to the belly area. And this is where his flipper will be. So I'm just doing a soft curve with another soft curve. And then with your eraser, you're going to erase this belly line like that. And we're gonna do the flipper on the other side because you can see part of it. So another sort of soft curve and another curve up. We're gonna leave this belly line here because this flipper is on the other side of his body. So you would see his tummy on that end of it. The other thing we want to erase as well is this area right here. Perfect, so now you have a really cute dolphin. I'm going to get to outlining, erasing, because we always trace and then we erase and then get to coloring. A really cute dolphin. You might have noticed in the video of me coloring that I used two colors. So I used the gray and the blue. I wanted my dolphin to be sort of a gray blue. With pencil crayons or crayons, you can color really lightly and then layer colors on top. So I'll go more in depth about that in another video, especially using complementary colors. But this is a good way to color and add some different look to your colored pencil crayons or crayons. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Stoney Creek School of Art. I'd love to see your work. And until next time, we'll see you then. Thanks so much. Bye.